Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to talk to you about how to live a free life by breaking away from social norms. First, let's talk about why social norms can be limiting. For many of us, our lives are shaped and defined by what society expects of us. We often don't have the freedom to pursue our passions and interests because of the expectations and pressures of those around us. Let's look at how to break away from these norms. It's important to remember that no one can dictate what you should and shouldn't do, only you have that power. Start by setting goals and pushing yourself out of your comfort zone. This could be as simple as taking small steps. If you've always wanted to travel solo, start by going on a day trip somewhere nearby. Once you've started making progress, keep pushing yourself. Take up a new hobby, follow your passions and interests, and step out of your comfort zone. You can also get creative and find ways to express yourself without worrying about what people might think. Finally, be sure to take some time for yourself to relax and reflect on how far you've come. Celebrate your milestones and embrace the journey to living a life that is authentic and meaningful to you. I hope this video helps you find the courage and confidence to start living a free life, breaking away from social norms. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends and family and give it a thumbs up. Also, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos about living life on your own terms.